for the past 20 years. We have several township projects in Pune across East, West, and South markets. We've delivered almost 30,000 homes. I in SKYi stands for innovations, and that is what drives our brand and has become the ethos of our brand as well. This is Vivek Ganatra. I head marketing and brand for SKYi. As a marketer, it becomes even more important to understand how your customer is, who your customer is, what is it that they want, what is the buying behavior. And to get hold of that data, either you have to scour around or you have to find insights from the market. But we believe that data is the most relevant and most accurate when it has been transacted. And that is where I feel Zoho One and Fristine comes in. I feel with the integration of Zoho One in our systems, it becoming our CRM as well as our ERP, what has happened is it has enabled us to get all the data in one place. And Fristine has played a pivotal role in getting that in order.
Hi, myself Shreya Sheke. I'm working with Fristine Infotech as a head of managed services. With 9+ years of experience serving the enterprise level solutions to all of your customers, we are more focused on innovation, transparency, and providing a digital solutions to all of our clients so who can serve better to their customers. The main headquarters is based out of Pune. So we have global presence and also domestic presence out of Pune itself. We have office in Mohali, we have office in Vapi, Ammasamudram, in Mumbai. We have also global presence in Dubai, in Australia as well. When we onboarded SKYi Developers, the journey was a bit tricky. At initial stage with SKYi, they were standalone using CRM, Creator, WorkDrive. When we are having the engagement going on, we used to get some requirements that was heading towards the Zoho One approach. We had a discussions, we showed the value about the product, about the Zoho One itself, and boom, within a day or something, we got a decision, and we showcase the value of the product and what a vision we can move towards with Zoho One. Currently, they are using CRM, Desk, WorkDrive, Creator. They're also using Social Analytics at a very higher stage, and Zoho Catalyst, a customer-facing stuff for all of their 7,000+ customers. The CRM, Zoho CRM, is mostly used for their sales and pre-sales processes. Coming from the lead, the inquiries, the booking of the customers, then managing their entire sales process. The real estate process is a bit tricky. The entire process is too lengthy. Lot of stages comes into picture, lot of teams comes into picture. So mapping each of the processes has been done within the CRM. Recently, we have also implemented inventory management within CRM itself, where all the sales team and the management team can have on a one button, they can get information on what all inventory is available, what is booked, what is sold, what is available at any project level basically. So from position stage till the customer has came to their property, there are a lot of things where they will require support, they will require assistance from the SKYi team. So we implemented Zoho Desk. We also implemented a custom portal which is purely facing to the end customers, which we achieved via Zoho Catalyst. The web version was recently been live, from where they can have the entire their property related details, documentations. Plus, in addition to that, they can also see the status of their entire property, if it is in the position stage or any stage. All the things are being integrated with CRM, and they can see the real or real-time stages of their property in their portals. Any kind of issue, they can raise a ticket, and the tickets land into the Zoho Desk, and the necessary supports and everything has been provided with a great customer experience. There are a lot of documentation involved internally within SKYi teams as well, and as a customer as well. At every stage, a document will come into the picture. To manage all those documentations, we have a universal grade application which is offered by Zoho One, is a WorkDrive. We are utilizing it at every stage. Zoho WorkDrive is integrated at multiple stages with CRM, with Creator, with their customer portal as well, where customer will see at a one click they can see the documents, their ledger details, everything within portal itself, which is integrated via WorkDrive. The post sales process, basically when it comes to sales order, everything has been managed in Creator, where the integration works in a way that once the sales and pre-sales process are been done, the things are been managed in Creator, where the sales order and additional details are been managed. The SKYi has a lot of process in terms of onboarding. Multiple departments comes into picture in terms of their asset management, their teams, their KPIs, training. A lot of things comes into picture as per the standard processes. So there were a lot of things which resulted that we can't use the standard onboarding process, which is ideally managed in HRMS. So what we did is we utilized Creator. We came up with a lot of customization, lot of visualizations where entire onboarding journey was mapped in Creator so that the employee onboarding process is seamless.
Hi, I'm Haripriya Nair. So basically, I'm a data analyst. I look after the entire dashboarding which comes with Zoho One. Specifically, I work on Zoho Analytics to be precise. This being a real estate company, we have a lot of data flow in terms of inquiries, in terms of a lot of walk-ins that we receive on our sites, a lot of bookings that happens. We have multiple platforms where Zoho is integrated to. You know, the customizable, the ability of Zoho to be completely customizable with third-party platforms is amazing. We have data in Zoho Analytics come from all these platforms. Now getting this data into a better, showcasing it to the management in a better way, showcasing it for the users, for them to have their actionable items in place is something I look after. And that's when Zoho Analytics come into place. We have a lot of dashboards that are in place. We have a lot of all of our teams actually working on, taking a look at the dashboards that are in place already. A lot of more dashboards are coming into place, given the requirements that we have received already. And with analytics, I think it is easier. Everything is easier for the person who's making it. Right from you're able to drag and drop it like a magic wand. I think that part, and I think the actionable items for all our users, which are not dependent on anyone else. So they come to the office, they open the dashboard, they get to see ki aaj, this is what they have to do today.
Apart from Zoho, there are a lot of other third-party applications as well. So basically, once pre-sales and sales process are done, the things are managed in SAP in terms of post-sales process. So the post-sales process is managed in SAP, and we have also integrated CRM, we have also integrated Creator, we have integrated Analytics to SAP, where data flow from two sides. We have done two-way integrations. The data post-sales are being pushed to SAP, then the next necessary actions are being pulled from SAP, and it gives the two-way data to Analytics, and the dashboards which are showcased or pulled add more values and a great data considering sales, pre-sales, and Zoho and SAP. The combined level of dashboards are being built, and which helps the SKYi developer management as well.
This partnership with Zoho One and partnership with Fristine has helped us not only bring clarity on the table, but also made us a much more effective, made me personally a much more effective marketer, and also optimize on our brand spends.
So Zoho One has been a unified platform and a great product to achieve the SKYi developer visions and the goals to serve the customers better.